Let's learn how to fix messages not sending on iPhone. So this can cause a lot of things, and there is a lot of fixes and a lot of stuff that could be done to prevent this and fix this. First, you should check if your Wi-Fi is on and connected, and do you have a Wi-Fi. If you have Wi-Fi here, you should then check internet speed test on Google or Safari or on any application. Then you should check is your phone on airplane mode. If it is, you should turn airplane mode off. Sorry. Then what you else can do is to go to settings and go to mobile services. Now here you can check if your network is working and if you have stable connection with your mobile service and operator. So you can change your mobile selection, and you can check if your app is using your mobile service here down there. If everything is all right here, you can also check messages in setting. That's down here. You'll have to scroll a bit and click on messages and check if you have iMessages on. For iMessage, you'll have to have internet. So check on if you have working network. What else you can do is to check this send us SMS. So if you don't have network, your iMessage will be sent as text message by default. You can also check some else stuff to make sure everything is good and is working. If you have all this enabled, it should work. If anything doesn't work, you should try to get out of low power mode because it can corrupt some